Hello, good evening to all. Hope you had a good weekend and you had enjoyed yourself. Now, let's start the analysis and I try to find the edge for trade for today and onwards. Before start the technical analysis, I'd like to inform you the upcoming newses. Let's take a look on news. Tomorrow we have big news for USD. Let me show you. Look, there is a core PPI and PPI month over month, and the big news is Fed chairs Paul speak. We may see extra volume and extra volatility on USD pairs and gold. Uh, and the news releasing time is 6 p.m. IST and 7:30 p.m. ISD. We'll take trade accordingly. All right, let's go and do the technical analysis of gold now. Let me raise the mark. Okay. As you see, this is a daily time frame of gold. On daily time frame, there is some weakness in gold. If we mark the structure in daily time frame, we can see the weakness of gold. This is the higher high, higher low, and this is the higher high and higher low, and this is the last high. After that, market has broken this last low. Okay. And market retest this Quasimodo level and now coming down. Okay, this is the structure in daily frame. Let's check on lower degree, that is on 4 hour frame, what market saying us. In 4 hour frame, market make a bullish trend as per the structure. Look the structure. This is the lower low, lower high, and last low. And market has broke this last lower high and it's come to test this level. Okay. That means in 4 hour structure, market is bullish. But in day structure, market is bearish. Okay. Let's go on lower time frame and I'll try to find the edges for trade. In 1 hour time frame, it is also bullish. It is also bullish. As we know, there is a possibility. As we know, the tomorrow we have big newses. There is a possibility that gold may move within a range until the news tomorrow. In that case, we have the ranges for open the trade. The upper range is 2350.2350 and the lower range is 2330. I hope until the tomorrow's news, price will move between this range. In that case, we have a simple strategy. If we find the market at this level, we will initiate a buy position. This is a good level because there was a supply in this area. If we find the price in the level of 2330, we will initiate buy. And if we find the price on 2350, we'll initiate a sale position until the news of tomorrow. After news, market will move in a direction. Until news, market will move in range. Okay. Then this is the analysis of gold. After release of news, I will be back and analyze again and try to find the edges on trade for trade. Let me check in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, still it is bearish. Look, still it is bearish. Uh, Sorry, in 30 minutes, still it is bearish. This is a good order block in this position. This is a good order block. If I find the price at this level, if I find the price at this level, I will initiate a buy position. This is a good. Let me put a alert on this price. Okay. If price come to this level, I'll definitely initiate a buy position. I hope the price will come soon at this level. Okay. If we initiate a buy position at this level, the TP will be 2345 and 4 between 45 and 2347, and the SL will be this level. This is the price of 2327. 2327 is will be our SL. Okay. This is the trade idea of gold for tomorrow until the release of news, and nothing more at this time. Hope for the best. Goodbye.